Good day and welcome to the channel. In this short video, we're going to show you something that I have never seen before, and I've asked a pile of buddies in hardware if they've ever seen before, and the answer is no.
Just listen to this vibration noise and try to figure out what it is.
So what happened was, the other night I was working away at my house and I noticed a little bit of, it sounded like some sort of vibration coming from maybe somebody using a snowblower. I also live near very near a major hospital, and sometimes choppers come in, but it didn't quite sound like a chopper. I couldn't figure it out. Anyway, let it sit for a while, and it got way worse, and then it got better, so I went to bed, and that was that. The next night, at the same time, about 10:30, I started hearing the same kind of vibration. I didn't understand where that noise was coming from. You know, so I opened the deck door and I go outside, and I cannot figure this out, but I figure some jackass is working on his vehicle or something, maybe a snowblower or some other piece of machinery, and I'm getting angry. So I get in my car and I drive across the field you see behind me, and well, not across, but you know, to the other side of it to figure out where the noise is coming from, because that's where it sounds like it's coming from, and nope, nothing there. Anyway, long story short, I come back to the house and I park in front, and I can't figure out where this sound is coming from. I get to hear it just a little bit again, and then I end up noticing it's coming from the side of my own house. What? Now, when I look at that downpipe, I can see, and you can see, it is fitted tightly to the house. It is solid. It is secured in multiple places. So
I decided to use something really cheap and really easy. And if you've got a vibrating downspout or eavestrough, this will work for you too. You can fix this yourself for about $5 in about 5 minutes.
high quality exterior silicone. That's what I'm going to use. I'm going to put a few drops of this in strategic places between the house and the downpipe. Let's see if it works. Now that looks white when it's actually going to dry to clear. And I guess it doesn't really look it in the video here, but it's actually in there a good ways. And I've done it on both sides. And I'm going to work all the way up the pipe here and do a whole lot more of these dots. Probably 7 or 8 of them. And then I'll wait a few hours and finish this video. Let you know if it fixed the problem. Can't see it. It's just hitting that harmonic resonance right there. There it is. Oh. And there's a mount point strapping right there. Amazing. I don't know whether you can see that or not, but I'm going to get this fixed right now. Hey, I think that actually might have fixed it, which is quite a surprise. I tell you, that noise was super loud and super annoying, and I have only lived here for a few weeks, and I just hadn't heard it before. It must just be the wind hitting that downpipe with the correct, harmonic resonance to make that thing vibrate. Now, if you are going to do something like this, make sure you get the right product. This is not interior silicone, it's exterior silicone, and you can see it actually specifies windows, doors, siding, and trim, so this is the right product. The key here is to make sure that it doesn't crack and just fall out in a few years. So hey, if you found the video useful, big thumbs up would be super appreciated. Subscribe's also appreciated. And if you have any questions or concerns, you can always get a hold of us directly at www.urtech, that's www.urtech.ca, or you can leave a question or comment below, and if we don't get back to you, somebody else will, because on YouTube, you just know everybody's got an opinion. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye-bye.